Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making delicious pigeon beans, also known as Fiofio, served with air-fried plantain. First I wash the pigeon beans and place them on the heat to boil. After boiling for a few minutes, I sieve the pigeon beans and transfer them into my pressure pot for faster cooking. While that was cooking, I chopped my ginger, garlic, onion and chili pepper using my manual food chopper. Once the pressure pot started making sound, I timed it for 40 minutes and then turned off the stove. And yes, the pigeon beans came out perfectly soft. Now it's time to add all the delicious flavor. Into a pot I added some red oil, added the ginger, garlic, onion and chili pepper mixture. I stirred everything together. Seasoning cubes and a little salt. Next I added grounded crayfish, then I added the cooked pigeon beans, stirred everything very well. And poured in a little water. If you love healthy and delicious food, then you need to try this pigeon beans and ripe plantain combo. I cover it to cook for a few more minutes on a medium heat. Finally, it's time to serve the food. I served the delicious pigeon beans with 2 pieces of air-fried plantain, and honestly, the taste was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.